Did you just fling potato
Maybe.
at yourself?
Eddie's little bite do do do. Eddie's little bites do do do. Eddie's little bites. Hi guys, it's Eddie on Eddie's Little Bites, and today we're doing the Amazon Alexa Food Challenge.
Woo, what is that?
It's something
Sorry,
that
I'm not sure about that.
She doesn't even know. We're in trouble. What are we gonna do? Alexa doesn't know what we're talking about.
we have to ask her it and say it exactly. Right, correct.
But what are we asking her?
What we're gonna ask her what a recipe to do.
Oh, I see where you're going with this.
And Mommy and Daddy Bites or Mama Bites is going to explain this.
So I guess Daddy Bites this because I came in the shot here. So what we're going to do is we've got together a bunch of different types of foods. So Italian, Greek, Asian, all kinds of different types, ethnic food, and they're all in this bin. We're going to pick one out, and then we're going to ask Alexa to show us a recipe associated with that. And we have to make it. And then when we're done, we're all going to eat it. Whether we like it or not, we're gonna try it. We also are probably gonna have to go to the grocery store because we probably don't have all of the items. So this should be a really interesting episode. What do you think?
Yeah, but I've never tried some of this stuff in here.
Alexa, what do you think?
I think about how I can better help people.
Good answer.
Mama Bites is getting the different kinds of food, and I'm gonna pick out of the bin. Oh, this is so cute! Follow the llama.
Follow la la llama.
Okay. I'm not looking.
Oh, you're looking. I saw you.
Okay, I got two. Wait.
Polish.
What
Oh,
what kind
boy.
of stuff is that?
Well, we have to see what Alexa says, but that's usually like pierogies and halushki and all kinds of stuff. So let's see. Alexa, show me a Polish recipe.
Okay, for Polish, here's a few recipes. And lots more.
So it looks like we're going to be making potato bum soup.
It has.
Why don't you click on that first one there, bud?
It doesn't. It's 5.5 stars, so it must mean it's good.
4.5 stars.
4.5.
All right, so we're going to gather the information for the recipe, and do a little shopping, and we will be back trying... Oh, add this to our shopping list. Look at that. Alexa, I love you.
That's really nice. Thanks.
All right, so what are we going to do? We have to go...
Shop on.
And then what are we going to do?
We're going to bake this, and then we're gonna eat it.
All right. We'll be...
We're at Wegmans, and we're going to go shopping for the stuff for the recipe. We're gonna grab this and take it out. We need white potatoes. There we go. It's kind of set. We just went shopping and we got everything we need for the recipe, and we're gonna cut up white potatoes and then take chicken bouillon and
Add all that to the water with parsley.
yeah.
Oh, all right. So we're gonna cut up some potatoes, as you can see on step 1.
So we don't know if it's 2 potatoes or 2 cups of potatoes.
Or
Or
if they
they're-
need to be peeled.
Yeah, but by looking at the picture, it looks like they're peeled and 2 cups. So I'm gonna do the potatoes. Whoa, how did that happen?
That was cool.
Mm-hmm.
All right, cubed, peeled, and ready to go.
We're gonna pour in 1 cup of water into which one?
The smaller one.
No spills.
Nicely done, sir.
Let me move the top right there.
And I want you to add the potatoes,
The pot.
the magic potatoes.
Yes. The magic pot.
Thank you for your help, Mommy Bites. 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon.
All right.
Go ahead and add that in.
I knew that was going to happen.
So do
All
this.
right, well, let Mommy Bites help you there.
It's really full.
Yeah. We just bought it.
Our other one hadn't been used for a while.
No.
Dump.
Okay. Dumping is my job.
Dumping is your
Dumping
job.
is your job? Is that just during the weekdays or, weekends? When is that your job?
Every day or some days, every other Tuesday, Thursdays, Fridays, and Sundays.
I think maybe.
Is that what you do in the night? When you go to sleep, is that what you do? That's what you do. I knew it.
Oh no!
I knew it. You're guilty.
No!
You're a Fibonacci. Ah! And Mama Bites is chopping up some parsley to add in as well. And then we're going to turn it on and yes, we're
that's
going
exactly.
to yeah, that's exactly what's going to happen to it. Then we cook it until the potatoes are easily done with a fork. What's the
Stuck with a fork.
stuck with a fork? You could stick a fork right through it. That's exactly what I'm talking about.
Like Thor's hammer, just stick.
Hi, Maxie.
Maxie bite.
Maxie Bites. Okay, in goes the parsley. Parsley. Dump. All right, it's. Let's see.
Does anybody think we should stir that?
Looks and looks. I'm gonna say yes. We need to stir this.
Okay, I'm stirring it.
Yes, that's a great invisible spoon you got there. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next step. After we stir.
No, actually stir like a human.
Like this?
No.
Oh, wow.
There we go.
There you go. Good job.
Now we're making progress.
Yes.
Excellent.
And not doing the.
And I think we're gonna, when we cook this, I think we're gonna cover it just to keep some of the heat in to help the potatoes cook faster.
Sounds good.
Okay, Mrs. Mama Bites. Now we add in a medium high heat pan some what is it? Onion.
There you go. Carrots
Onion, carrots.
and butter.
Yeah, butter. Okay.
Whoa! How did that happen?
I don't know.
You must have some magic powers or something.
We added the magic onions, the carrots, and the butter.
And we are cooking this on a medium-low heat until the onions are
Melted. Fluffy.
soft.
Soft.
And there's our potatoes with the bouillon and the parsley and the water boiling on low heat.
So we're making a roux. So to the butter and onions and salt and pepper and carrots, we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of flour. You usually use the same amount of flour as you put in butter. And this is going to help thicken up the soup.
And once this is combined, it tells you to add 2 cups of 2% milk. And then stir for 5 minutes until it thickens.
And we have a non-stick pan, so this is a silicone whisk. And I am going to start adding adding the milk in. I like to add it a little slowly. They recommended 2% milk in this.
And she's just going to continue to stir that in
And
for
stir.
a while.
And stir. And stir.
20 minutes later.
Mommy Bites is gonna add into the potatoes of our, I think, bum. And I'm gonna add in the cheese and the ham.
I'm dumping the potatoes into the roux, right?
Right.
Yep, the roux is ready there. So here goes the potatoes that we cooked.
With all of their liquid.
Bye-bye, liquid and goes in pot.
Okay, and then Eddie's going to add in the ham and cheese. And then we're going to let this simmer for 15 minutes, and then according to the recipe,
It's time to eat.
we're good to go.
And then, oh no no,
What was that?
oh no no.
Don't touch. If you drop any, let an adult grab them because the stove is hot.
Jizz,
Okay, and then Eddie's got the cheese.
jizz.
Cheesy.
I'm just gonna add it all around and get some in the
There we go.
Perfect.
All right, so that
It's looking yummy.
looking very good. It smells really good in here. What do you think there, young man?
Yes!
For wow, for Polish food, you've had pierogies and halushki before.
Pierogies, yummy, yummy. I don't remember that other one.
It's cooked cabbage basically with butter
And noodles.
and noodles. Good point. All right, so we're gonna let this simmer,
And then,
and then it's taste test time because,
yum.
like we said, this is our dinner.
yum, yum, yum.
Yummy.
Yum, yum, yum.
Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
So the picture on that girl.
You mean Alexa?
Yeah.
So there's what it looks like on Alexa.
And here's what we added: a little less ham and a little less potatoes.
You're crazy.
And it smells like mac and cheese.
It does kind of smell like mac and cheese, doesn't it?
I'm gonna do my taste test.
All right. That might be hot.
I'll blow on it.
So remember, we all are making what came up on Alexa.
I gotta wait a few minutes because it's hot.
You could just blow on your spoon. Crazy kid. Oh. Isn't that hot?
It's good. I had just potatoes, so
What does it
good.
taste like?
it tastes like when I just had potatoes. It tastes like potatoes.
Just potatoes.
Yeah, just because I had potatoes.
Ah. So the sauce, none of that, huh? Apparently. So I guess we got lucky on this one. Who knows what'll happen the next time that she picks our meal.
And I grew out of the llama.
That's right. All right, so we're all going to do a taste test of it because that's part of the challenge here.
Daddy Bites' turn, I think.
All right, I'll go next. Okay, so this is my taste test. It does smell very good for a Polish meal, and I'm Polish, and I've actually never heard of this meal. So, you know, I've had a lot of pierogi, a lot of halushki, and all of the common in my day. So let's see. But it really smells good. And yes, I can see what you mean, buddy. It definitely smells like mac and cheese, and it's definitely hot.
Yes, it's definitely hot. Sorry if you hear noises, it's from me. It is good.
It is very good. Very creamy. The ham was cooked very well. The roux is very, very good. You could taste the onions and the carrots. I would say we got very lucky on this one because I'm afraid of what she's going to come up with the next time. So I think you're up, Mommy Bites.
Alrighty, I'm gonna come out from behind the camera. All right, I am getting ready to try my bite. It does taste a lot like macaroni and cheese, especially the macaroni and cheese I make. The ham is good. The potatoes are delicious. They're perfect. They're not hard.
Yeah, they really
like
were
it.
cooked well.
Yeah. I would make this again.
I certainly would too.
It's delicious. I looked up while we were waiting for it to.
Cook?
Yeah. Well, you know, whatever it was. And I think it's supposed to be like bum soup. It's like potato and ham soup is what I found when I looked up the recipes. I think bum refers to it being an inexpensive meal.
Very good.
So that's what I got from when I looked it up. So you're going to turn that off so we can sit down and eat as a family, right?
Yeah, but first things first, if you want to see more of these challenges, what should they do?
Subscribe and ring that bell. Ding! Oh, and I want to give 2 shout-outs. Riley G and Eli from my school.
Well, they asked you to do that. That's right. And definitely comment below if you like this video to show us if you want more of this, because we're trying something new.
Let's see if you get this video to make it 3,000 likes. We will do this again.
We're gonna do this again, even if we don't get 3,000 likes. That's a lot of likes, but we're challenging you to get us 3,000 likes.
Yes.
And also, it's mid-November, and we are going to be doing our drawing on December 31st for the $50 gift card for our channel. Mm-hmm. So you have to subscribe and comment to be part of that. And if you want more entries into it, go to Eddie's website.
www.eddieslittlebites.com, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, 3 W's, not 4, but yes, eddieslittlebites.com. All right, so with that,
Remember to enjoy every little bite. Bye. Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah.
ting tang wada wada bing bang.